Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine and taking care of your health. As you know that today is 15th January 2021 Friday, and in English language we do our literature work. So this is our reader of our English literature, Little Red Riding Hood. So tell me what you studied in your literature yesterday. We studied the page number 18 and 19. So revise the page number 18 and 19 with me. Oh grandmother, said Little Red Riding Hood, what big ears you have. All the better to hear you with, my dear child, said the funny voice. Please come near to me. Okay, so what did you study in your reader? That why did the grandmother look different? Because it was the wolf at the place of the grandmother. And who was under the bed? Yes, grandma was actually under the bed. So today is 15th January. So we will do our written work. What we will do in our written work? We will do words and tenses in our notebook. So before starting our work, we have to set our objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to improve your sentences making skills. And you will be able to learn sentence structure, that which word will become first, which will become on the second number, which will be on the third number. So now, my dear class, take out your English literature book. If you are a student of class 1A, so this is the your literature book having this live ox picture on it. 1B, you have the picture of red hen on it, and 1C, you have a picture of a boy if you are a boy, and on the girl's notebook there is a picture of a girl there. So take out your literature notebooks. So now prepare your page like this. Draw the margin line on the right side of the page. Remember one thing, that it should be 2-finger margin line. Okay, don't draw too narrow margin line. Now write down the date 15th January. You can write only JAN for the January, comma 2021 full stop, and then write down the classwork in the center of the page. Remember that the C and the W of the classwork will be capital, and write down the day Friday at the right side of the page. So what is our topic? Our topic is Little Red Riding Hood. If your topic is not coming in a one line, so write the topic in the next line. L of the little, R of the red, R of the riding, and H of the hood will be capital. And now write down the focus. If your topics come in the two lines, so write down the focus in the third line. So what will be our focus today? Our focus will be words, sentences. So what you have to do now? You have to draw a line on the left side of your page. Here you will write words. Don't draw the margin line in the center of the page. Draw the line on the left side of the page. Write question 9 in margin line, and in this narrow line write words, WORDS words. The W will be capital, and write down the sentences on the second part of the page. S will be capital. Then good. These are our 5 words of which we will make our sentences. The number 1 word which we have is wolf. So what will be the sentence you will make of a wolf? Remember one thing, that we will write first alphabet small of the words which will be having there. Wolf. First word is wolf has big ears. Wolf have big teeth. Wolf teeth are very sharp. Wolf is very hungry. Wolf is grey in color. Wolf has big eyes. Wolf is very scary. You make many kind of the sentences. Write any sentence which you want right here. The next word is funny. So make a sentence of funny. This clown is so funny. This picture is so funny. I have drawn a funny picture. You are looking so much funny. Your dress is looking so funny. Write any sentence which you want. Now, the third word is ear. So, make a sentence of ear. You can also make the sentence of ears. You can also use the word ears in your sentence. Your ears are so big. I can see your ear. How your hair hurt. You are wearing ring in your ear. Any sentence which you want. The fourth word is forest. So what sentence you will make the sentence of forest? Grandmother lives on the other side of forest. There is a forest near my house. I am afraid to go in a forest. The last word which I have is bed. We sleep on the bed. My bed is so big. My bed is red in color. So make which sentence which you want. Remember one class that write all the alphabets properly. Write each alphabet in their lines. Okay, write all the sky letters in the first 3 lines, write the grass letters in the last 3 lines, and write the root letters in the middle 2 lines. Don't forget the letter formation and use each separate line for the next sentence. I am reminding you once again that use a separate line for each sentence. I hope you have done your work very well. Excellent, my dear students. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.